Here we are at Fremont Centralville Station. I can't believe I heard the P5 legend. I thought 2124 rescued it because it was slow. It broke down. Actually, I hear it. That's Capricorn 724. It's a good stalker train for me. Yes, it's my favorite stalker set. Oh no, double horns. April 6th has an emergency horn? How come? OMG, it's here. I could nearly hear a Nathan Newcast P5 from here. What the? Wow. Hello? Oh, wow. My favorite stalker train. Ow. Ha. So you think I love Nathan P5 horn sound? Right. Send 24 is for Sacramento. Here I go. All passengers who want to enter the train, it's yours. Any passengers who want to board this train, this one is your train. Imagine a Capricorn skipping the station when I had to go on platform 2. Just say 10 and 9. I believe they have to change BF59 PHR by today. I believe BF59 PHRs are swapped. 1095 with 10 is with April 8, while 1009 with April 6. That sounds like they're on. Imagine SC44. Yes! Blow that top P5! It must be. I'm right! April 6th! Mount Soledad! Love it! Yes, sir! Merrill Valley! Ah! 802 standing away. I love the name. April 6th, 857 River. And what? I can down 5, down Melbourne, you're at the European right there. Head down to Max if you're awake. Marcelo, if you're awake. Marcelo, if you're awake. Dominic Klein if you're awake, and Sam Duralfan if you're awake. I can't believe it. This is the same San Joaquin said a couple days ago, and I caught it yesterday. And caught it on May 15 with Hey, can't believe it. This is my favorite stalker, Free Time Catch. Yeah, but I wish it had to change the F59 PSI at San Jose Diridon. I was wrong. Believe it. If you, the Railfins, were catching 724, you should be awake for that. Thank you.